Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
2021 is the year of the cicada. After 17 years, millions of large cicada brood will emerge above ground throughout the high country. Be listening for a constant loud, piercing and humming sound across the North Carolina high country because you'll soon hear it when you're outdoors. 26 March 2021.
Take our lead.
An infestation of periodical cicadas can be controlled by using Ortho Bug Clear insect killer for lawns and landscapes, ready to spray once they appear. It kills periodical cicadas when used as directed.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.